Making money online just by watching videos 60 cents per video. Stay with me until the end of the video. I have a surprise for you at the end of the video. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. One of my friends had registered on a site whose address is swan.wintop.com and start working. This site pays for watching each video. My friend requested me to check this site exactly if it is real or not and if it really pays. As you can see, everything on this site is completely natural, and as you can see here, according to the site itself, 1,500 brands cooperate with this site. Perhaps one of the important reasons why most users registered on such site, and they work and trust them. Seeing the logos and names of big companies in the world, it even pays you $1 per referral, as you can see here, and according to their own statements, the payments of this site are through PayPal, WebMoney, Payoneer, and bank account deposits. I should have registered first for further research and analysis and correctness of this site. That's why I clicked here and filled the form and registered. After entering the dashboard, $5 was added to my account. As a new user, in fact, they pay you $5 after registering. As I said at the beginning, this site pays you for watching each video. I choose a video that paid me 61 cents after a few seconds. Of course, this amount was very suspicious in my opinion, because many reputable sites receive money from big companies for advertising. They pay much less amount to each user who watches the videos on the site. For example, $0.003 or 3 cents, but on this site, as you can see, they pay much more for each video. To receive your money, you can refer to this section and select one of the Western Union counters: PayPal, WebMoney, Payoneer. Get your money. But and more, I realized that this site might be a scam. When I searched on Google, I went to the Trustpilot site and saw that 93% of users are dissatisfied with this site, and there are no positive comments about this site. And I even realized that many videos had been made about this site, and that this site is a scam site. Therefore, I advise you not to use this site and spend your time on basic and making money strategies. Although there are legal ways to pay per click in the world, you should never expect to get rich with these methods. In this channel, I will introduce you to the methods and strategies of making money online. I would like to share with me and other friends in this channel the legitimate income generation sites in the comments. I will check those sites and make a video for each of them. If you are a member of those sites and you have received income, and if you have subscribed to the channel, put your referral link in the comments along with a short description, and I will pin your referral link in the comments along with the video I make for that site. Thanks. You're watching this video. Good luck.